Turning to expenditures, we should ensure that our scarce resources are used in the most efficient and effective way. Mr. Speaker, in order to move towards a balanced budget and further improve efficiency in public spending, the following bold actions and reforms have been outlined in the financial year 2024-2025. First, rationalization of transfers to SAGAs by at least 30% from the financial year 2023-2024 approved budget, in line with the overall austerity measures cutting across all ministries, departments, and agencies. Second, curtailing spending on the following expenditure items: foreign travels, rationalization of all training expenses across government, and restricting all training to within government institutions, rationalizing all allocations for purchases of motor vehicles, and suspending purchases of furniture for a period of 1 year, and suspending all refurbishment and partitioning of government offices. Third, the expenditure control measures that include suspension of all new recruitment in the public sector for 1 year, for the next 1 year, audit and cleanse all public payrolls, pension, and transfers to the vulnerable, with a view to eliminate ghost workers, as well as enforce payments of salary scales and that are approved as recommended by SRC, and consolidation of public procurement for common user items. Fourth, minimizing government expenditure but by leveraging on technology, and this will entail use of Wi-Fi emails for efficient communication. 5, reviewing the insurance schemes, especially looking at Edu, Afia, Indigence, Public Service, Police, and Prison Commissions and independent offices under the universal health coverage, and align them to the Social Health Insurance Fund. The Social Health Insurance Fund now will be important because it will afford all Kenyans a universal health care with more benefits. 6th, suspending the policy of SAGAs investing surplus funds and enforce the requirement of PFM Act 2012 and the PFM Regulations 2015 to surrender such funds to the Exchequer. And finally, reviewing the regional development authorities to remove duplication of laws within those county governments and MDAs. Since the beginning of this financial